Eyewitness News. First, in high definition.
With all the talk of viruses these days, there is one virus that can hit you right at home.
A new batch of computer viruses designed to look like antivirus software can hit your CPU, costing you time and money and basically bring your whole life to a grinding halt. Here's KENS 5's Christopher Heath with the I-Team investigation.
The names read like a list of legitimate computer programs: MS Antivirus, Mac Sweeper, Win Defender. They all sound like real antivirus programs, and there's a reason for that.
It'll lock up certain aspects of your computer, or it'll cause it to do things, call home, send information.
Richard York has worked on computers for more than 2 decades. Over the last few years, he's seen a disturbing trend of malware programs. They start by giving you what's known as a false positive, a self-generated error message designed to make you think you have a virus. Then, once the hook has been baited, they reel you in, sending you to their website to sell you their so-called antivirus program, taking your money and then crashing your system.
They require your fear of being infected, because that's how they all work. Warning. They want to throw you into oh my God, what can I do mode.
With your computer locked down by false virus messages, you have only a few options: buy a new computer or fix the old one. The one thing that won't fix it: buying the software the virus is trying to sell you.
It would not come up anymore. You couldn't even turn it on. It was dying a slow death.
As Kim Biesler found out when she let a friend use her computer to check email, it only takes seconds for one of these Trojans to make its way in.
I couldn't bring my computer up at all. Eventually, it wouldn't even turn on. It just shut it completely down until I had to take it in to have it serviced.
That little trip cost Kim $350, 5 days without her computer, and she still has to reinstall many of the programs that were wiped out, including her virus scan.
The antivirus solutions don't really deal with this. There's usually very specific malicious software tools.
What's worse, these programs don't just hit home PCs. Given the right access, they can cripple a company's network in minutes.
It's terrible because every single machine infected has to be independently fixed, cleaned out.
Companies spend millions of dollars a year to keep viruses like these out, and they still find ways in, a testament to both the number of viruses and the skill with which they're crafted. The best thing you can do for your computer to keep from getting attacked by one of these viruses is keep it up to date. Keep your Windows software up to date and keep your virus protection software up to date. For a full list of some of these viruses that are out there and places you can go to get updates, go to our website, KENS5.com. Reporting Christopher Heath, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.